Welcome to Lady Enchantress Garden and Travel. Today is our third month of the drought, but that is not the topic for today. I want to share to you one of the biggest mistakes so you would not even entertain that thought that you will not do if you are a house plant parent or if you are growing these plants. If you are already in my channel, you know that I welcome all the sentient creatures here, from butterflies, birds, scorpions, and everything else that crawls around here, because I live next to the wilderness, because I wanted to make my plant feel that they live in the natural habitat in the tropical rainforest. Look. So there's a lot even of wild alocasias right there next to the fence. And I love my plants so much, and I love nature so much. So 3 months ago, I left to Manila and Cebu just to do some holiday stuff. And I saw already a caterpillar here, and this is what the caterpillar did. So this is a beautiful Borsigiana albo plant. Sorry about the birds there, just right there, letting me know that they are around. And this is what the caterpillar did. They had a field day here. It breaks my heart, really. Look at the artwork being done. Look at this poor one. So it used to be a beautiful cutting of a Borsigiana albo, and now this is how it looks like. It reverted. Okay, I was not really heartbroken with that one, but this is now how it looks like. So yes, almost all the leaves are damaged. I make my own cocoa pole right now, so I think they're loving it, except what kind of artwork is this? So they did not really touch some of my plants, like for example this beautiful anti-constellation Monstera here, but really this leaf artwork. So I know, so if you guys are growing it outdoor, take a look at the first signs of caterpillars. I know it's nice to participate in the butterfly process of reproduction, but I don't think it is a sustainable, and that is the way that it should be moving forward. So right now, I think when I go out, I make sure that the caretaker would know that this is not acceptable. So the butterflies did me bad. And this one was not touched, but I think this is also not a natural plant, a kind of GMO, how do you call it, like a tissue cultured. So I'm not really sure, but what I noticed is that some of the tissue cultured plants are not really affected, maybe because the butterfly does not know them because they are lab grown, because they actually started here in my pothos. Look. So this was actually the very first leaf that I noticed, but then I just let it go because, like, I welcome them, and then I also give back to nature. But that's what they did to my Monstera borsigiana. So we have a very expensive lesson learned here, and yes, I might just stop this, restart, or I'm thinking just to let it go and make it as a memory of I was not really able to pay attention. And for you guys new to the plant scene, that might be costly for you, especially if that is a variegated one. So that's all. See you later.